Accidentally deleted your recent call history on your iPhone? Don't worry, there are several ways you can try to recover it. Here's how to recover deleted recent call history on your iPhone. Solution 1. Restore from an iCloud backup. Check your iCloud backup, open Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Scroll down, tap iCloud Backup, app then backs up. Select your iPhones to see the date of the last backup. If the backup was made before you deleted the call history, proceed to the next step. Restore your iPhone. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Erase All Content and Settings. Confirm the reset. Ensure you have a backup before doing this. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup prompts. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Select the backup that contains your call history. This is how you can recover deleted recent call history on your iPhone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.